takbo. Lakad lang. See you later. Competitive yan. Congratulations! Special.
Shoutout nga pala sa lahat ng nasa Pilipinas.
Happy Father's Day, Independence Day.
Shoutout.
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 Shoutout. Shout out. Gold medal kami, hindi bronze, hindi silver, gold. Kumuha na nga ako, may libreng pagkain, madaming pagkain. Pagkatapos takbo, pagkain, madaming food. Bata, Joy. Meron sa akin na Joy ko. May sabi. Kids category.
Guys, yung video
Oh, pre-massage after jogging. Hard.
Complete construction and maintenance. Tortuga.
Dami pong medal.
Rehoboth Physio and Pain Care. Doctors Express Urgent Care.
Daming food. Ay lugaw. Ay malamig. Tubig.
Cost you less. Buy, bulk, and save.
Ayan, maraming food.
International Glass Steamer. Practical price.
Kids category. Tapos na si Miss Mira. Picture tayo doon. Ayan, binidyohan ko na rin kayo.
Okay.
40 minutes lang ako.
Picture ka, sorry. Para ng primary. Ewan, picture kayo, wait kayo. Okay, kayong dalawa.
Our third finishers finish one of 20 minutes and 25 seconds with a ticket number 042. Let's give a round of applause to our third finisher, 042, with time 20 minutes and 25 seconds. 042, where are you now? Dan. I guess that's Dan.
Sorry.
042? Yeah. Alright, please proceed on the podium. Third finisher. Photo up first so that we will call mamaya ng sampahan. Our second finisher, congratulations! Ticket number 006 with a time of 17 minutes and 58 seconds. 006. Hi sir, congratulations. Alright, photo op. And our first place finisher, congratulations, number 088 with a time of 17 minutes and 35 seconds. Congratulations. Congratulations and good luck to Red Horse 1 box. After the run, you have to drink Red Horse. Ilagay na lang sige.
My award beer. Red Horse.
Alright, you can go up. Let's give a round of applause to our three finishers for men's category, guys. Congratulations, everyone. Organizers, photo op. Okay, smile.
Sampak sa likod ko na.
Okay, ready? 1, 2. Thumbs up. Ready? 1, 2.
Sandali!
Sandali.
Ay, nako!
Volunteer. Runner.
Okay, let's move now for our women's category.
Wala.
Robot na.
With the Red Horse beer.
Lobat na ang dalawa.
Ano sabi mo? Look.
Okay, I'm very sorry guys. Our microphone speakers got lobat already. May I call the 029 for women's category for third finisher? Oh, she's not around. Our second finisher, 040. Hello. 040 for our second finisher. With a time of 28 minutes and 26 seconds. You are our second finisher.
Red Horse.
Alright, thank you very much. Congratulations to our finishers. Wait 1 second, we have photographer. Silang dalawa muna, yes. While waiting, we would like to thank our generous partners